fit inside the T-fal OptiGrill? Let's take a closer look. 6 different automatic cooking programs. Just select hamburger, poultry, sandwich, pork, red meat, or seafood to grill nearly anything to absolute perfection with little work from you. And don't forget, use any of the automatic programs with the snowflake button to cook directly from frozen. Like your steak a little more rare than the rest of the family? Handy color codes make it easy to pull individual servings off when they've reached the desired doneness. Yellow for rare, orange for medium, and red for well done. Automated sensors know exactly how thick your food is and adjust cooking time based on size, ensuring each meal is cooked to absolute perfection every single time. Want to make something that's not on the list like grilled vegetables? Set the OptiGrill to manual mode and get creative. Beautiful grill marks show the sear that locks in moisture, keeping your meats tender and juicy, all while fat drains away into the drip tray. No additional oils are required for cooking, so you'll eat healthier with the OptiGrill without any extra effort. It's so easy, it's completely foolproof. The OptiGrill's non-stick removable grill plates make cleanup a snap. Wait until they're cool, then rinse with water or wipe down with a damp cloth. They'll even fit right into your dishwasher. And since they're made by T-fal, you'll get the quality construction materials you've come to expect. So never burn or waste a steak again. Get perfectly grilled, healthier, tastier meals with the T-fal OptiGrill.
This is the Smokeless Indoor Grill, the latest innovation from Philips, the global leader in kitchen appliances that brings the best of the outdoors inside. At the flip of a switch, you can have authentic grilled flavor and taste right in your own kitchen. The secret is Philips' innovation of dual infrared heaters on both sides of the grill that stay at a perfect temperature of 446 degrees, combined with concave reflectors that focus heat evenly across the entire grill, even at the edges. So there are never any hot spots, no flare-ups, just consistent temperature and even browning across the entire surface of the food. And here's why you can cook inside with virtually no smoke. Below the heating element is an always cool drip tray. When oil, fat, and grease drip down, it doesn't hit a hot surface that would normally cause it to splatter, smoke, and smell. Instead, it is captured below the heat, so there's virtually no smoke. Just true grilling inside that delivers healthy, delicious, perfectly grilled food every time, just without the smoke.
The Cuisinart Griddler gets a sleek, contemporary look and innovative functions with the Cuisinart Griddler 5. All the classic cooking methods you want, like contact grill, panini press, grill, griddle, and full or half griddle now come with user-friendly digital precision controls, easy-to-use countdown timer, and a brilliant LCD display. Simply set the function, temperature, and time, and let the Griddler 5 cook your favorite foods to perfection. With 5-in-1 cooking options, you can prepare hash browns, crisp bacon, and make blueberry pancakes all at the same time. Or grill up tangy and onion Gruyere burgers, or even a chocolate hazelnut panini as a special treat for dessert. You can prepare an entire meal in 15 minutes or less, including cleanup. The Griddler 5 features an adjustable floating cover, stay cool stainless steel handlebar, and the reversible removable cooking plates are completely dishwasher safe. With adjustable temperatures from 175 to 450 degrees, you can lightly toast a panini or sear your steak to perfection and use the 2-minute sear function for lightning fast results. All of the features you love with a simple modern design. The Cuisinart Griddler 5 is the ultimate addition to your countertop.
George Foreman, the #1 brand in grilling, just got bigger. With over 240 square inches of cooking surface, the George Foreman indoor-outdoor grill can handle up to 15 servings at once. And it has all the classic features you've come to love in a George Foreman grill. The George Tough non-stick coating makes everything manageable. Signature Foreman heating elements deliver even heat from the center to the sides of the grill. The included removable stand allows for the complete grilling experience indoors or out. And of course, the variable temperature control ensures your food is cooked to perfection. The George Foreman Grill, now serving your party of 15.
Now you can cook healthy, delicious meals anytime you want. Get ready for the Ronco Ready Grill, a revolutionary indoor vertical cooking system. The newest, healthiest way to cook just about everything. Just preheat, pop in your food, drop it in, set the time, and when it dings, dinner is done. Inside, 4 radiant heating elements create a uniform cooking environment with dual stainless steel reflector panels that evenly surround your food with a perfect cooking temperature. And with the efficient vertical design, excess fat drips away into the removable drip tray, so you're eating healthier with less oil and grease in your food. And cleanup is as easy as dropping the parts in the dishwasher. With a Ronco Ready Grill, you're always ready for healthy, delicious food made easy.
George Foreman, quick, tasty meals from the convenience of your own kitchen. The George Foreman 4-serving grill creates delicious grilled meals that feed the whole family. The patented sloped grilling surface removes up to 42% of fat, which collects in the dishwasher-safe drip pan. The exclusive George Tough non-stick coating is 3 times more durable than previous George Foreman coatings. It removes the need for excess oil and butter during grilling. Plus, the plates are fully removable and dishwasher-safe for fast and easy cleanup. The 1-inch floating hinge adjusts to the thickness of food, maintaining juiciness and flavor. Stay in control with dual indicator lights that show when the grill is plugged in and when it's preheated. The George Foreman 4-serving grill. Add a grilling punch to your countertop.
Cooking for a crowd has never been easier than with the Tilt and Drain Big Griddle Cool Touch Griddle. The huge 15-inch by 19-inch grilling surface is 50% larger than ordinary griddles. A single batch feeds the whole family. Pull out on the handles to tilt the cooking surface when preparing meats like sausage and bacon. A slight tilt helps grease drain into the drip tray. The Presto Big Griddle features a premium non-stick surface for stick-free cooking and a built-in backstop ledge for easy food handling. The Control Master heat control automatically maintains the proper cooking temperature, and the slide-out drip tray removes for quick cleanups. The griddle is fully immersible with the heat control removed. It's ideal for family-sized batches of pancakes, hash browns, sandwiches, and more. The Presto Tilt and Drain Big Griddle Cool Touch Griddle. Also available in a handy 14 by 15-inch size.